America. WorkbenchCon. S'mores. What a weird dream. Let's go on a run.
This would be a great opportunity to take the classic London bus. But on second thought, let's just jog this one out. And boom, now we're in Atlanta. It's actually kind of similar because they also have a Ferris wheel and held the Olympics. The park's in the middle of the city and has a couple of attractions for visitors, like a massive aquarium, but I'm not really into zoos for fish. There is also the home of Coca-Cola, but drinking soda's not really healthy, plus they don't give the real story on how much of a Confederate soldier and morphine and cocaine addict John Pemberton really was. Other than seeing a fake vault, they try to paint the company as a happy family, but all that's there are just screaming children. However, a great museum is the Center for Civil and Human Rights. It's very powerful and I highly recommend it. It's right next door and happened to be free. And there's the stadium where the most recent Super Bowl happened, and home of the Hawks, but we don't really care about that because we're here for WorkbenchCon. I'll get back to that in a bit, but for now, let's just get back to our little run and all the clapping going on around the world. And we're back in London. I like this Dr. Evil chair and this lovely view of the dirty Thames water. Plus, while we're doing all this snapping, let's fix this.
Woo! What up, crew? So for the second year in a row, WorkbenchCon was a smashing success. So much fun. We got to meet so many great makers, new people, as well as the same old crew. Same with companies. Lots of cool stuff in this tote bag. We've got Craig, along with Gorilla Glue and Rockler, and everything you need to do to fix a new bathroom. I wonder what the next video is gonna be. Oh, there was also a really fun competition with gloves. These Gorilla Grip gloves. They would spray WD-40 on your hands, and then you had to play foosball, and I crushed the competition. But who wants to mail a foosball table all the way to London? Maybe not worth it. Still, tons of fun, and they absolutely loved the 3D printed W logo that I did for them. You may see that in a couple videos coming up with Bob from I Like to Make Stuff and Jimmy DiResta, and some other people that they interviewed in this side panel, so keep an eye out for that. Many cool shirts like these Wicked Makers here, they got really cool stuff. As well as you get your fill of American stuff. So my beef jerky, s'mores, and Old Spice Pure Sport deodorant. Can't get that over in England. Plus the creme de la creme, not just one American flag, but two massive suckers. This guy is like huge.
This is actually a 48-star flag. Sorry, Alaska and Hawaii, you don't count just yet. And was sent from my cousin in Oregon. Check out her awesome pottery on Instagram at Celestial Ceramics.
Oh, before I forget, I also got this pocket hole jig from Craig. Now, am I going over to the dark side? I haven't done pocket holes before, and some people love them, some people hate them. I feel like I should give it a chance. Let me know in the comments, are you for or against pocket holes? Do they kind of ruin the whole vibe, feng shui of the piece? Or is it just like a good way to get the stuff together? Either way, this stuff from Craig is really cool. As always, they've got a whole bunch of bits and screws and a nice clamp system for it with specific drill bits, so I feel like we should give it a chance. There's also this waterproof seal tape that's from Gorilla, and it's like, you know that big box that they put over somebody's head with the water coming out and they like slap the tape on it? It's this stuff, even stronger. Plus, brand new caulking and construction adhesive from them. This stuff isn't available in the UK just yet, and I got it through customs, so Brexit or no Brexit, it doesn't matter. We're gonna be able to repair things here in London, no worries. Thanks to everyone who helped make WorkbenchCon really an amazing time. And lots more projects coming up. I've got the X-Carve that I need to set up, and 3D printed stuff for the bathroom remodel that we're doing. Kinda crazy. Let's finish this off with a quote.